Your eyes I love to see, your hand I love to touch, your lips I love to kiss. I love so very much. Tomorrow's sunshine your year and memories could live. I want to say I love you, Nikolai, happy birthday. Happy birthday. More birthday to come and blessings for your family. Your